Day one, you noticed the pattern. Day two, you interrupted the pattern. Now there is space. And this is where many people stop. But removing a negative pattern is not the same as building a better one. That space must be used wisely. Why replacement matters. The mind tends to return to what is familiar, the old story, the old reaction, the old habit. Not because you're weak, because familiar patterns are easier to repeat. That's why interruption alone is not enough. The pattern must be replaced. How to replace the pattern? If the mind keeps pulling you toward fear, move toward courage. If it keeps pulling you toward excuses, move toward action. If it keeps pulling you toward destruction, move toward creation. Feed the direction you want your life to move. Learn something, build something, train for something, work toward something. Because attention is always growing something. And when you stop strengthening the old pattern and start strengthening a better one, the mind slowly learns a new path. And eventually, what once required effort becomes the new normal.